Oh my God, Nancy, you are so lucky. My children will never touch that. They will never eat that. How do you do it? Oh my God. Yo, every time my friends come to my house, they're like, how are your children eating vegetables like this? And in my mind, I'm like, how are you cooking these vegetables for these children? How are you making the salads? How are you incorporating the vegetables? Because let me tell you, there's a science to this. And I've been making salads for well over 6 years for these children. And I can tell you for a fact that there is a method to making sure that children enjoy their salads. And I'm going to teach you one way today. All right. So sit back and relax. Let me show you how to make this delicious salad for children. First things first, anything you have in your fridge, right? Just get some proteins, get some grains, make sure you roast them, make sure they're tasty. If you have my book, you already know how to make the best chickpeas ever. All right, prep everything you're going to need. If you know you are dirty, please don't even bother making salads. You can't make salads for children if you know that you cannot just wash everything very well. Vinegars, everything, wash, just use all the water in your house and wash very well because you don't want stories that touch. Salads are very delicate, okay? Now roast your chickpeas. You already have my recipe in the book. Look at how beautiful. If you taste this thing, you will not even know when you finish it. Roast your corn. You can use canned corn, whatever corn you have. Grate your carrots, slice your lettuce. Any greens you have. It could be kale. This is what we have available. It could be cabbage. Anything you have works for this recipe. And then add your cucumbers. You see the way I'm slicing these things very, very thinly and very small. It's because I want everything to fit in a spoon. So when they take a spoon, they sort of get all the flavors, and that encourages them to go more, just keep eating. You see all the sweet things entering this salad. We have mangoes, we have sweet corn, we have pineapples. Are you seeing all the sweet things? Almost everything is sweet. And look at pineapples with seeds. When else did you see that? Okay, so we have all our sweets going on. We have some veggies and we have extra protein just in case. You know, if you're plant-based, just skip the eggs and just do chickpeas. But chickpeas are delicious, especially when they are roasted. This dressing is just some pineapple, lemons, Greek yogurt, some honey, and ginger. You guys, this dressing is everything. All you need to do is just mix everything together and you have yourself one of the best tasting salads ever. Of course, the dressing has been seasoned with some salt and black pepper, so it just melts in your mouth. These children, like, they already know. Every time I'm making salad, they just sit down and they're like, oh mommy, let's just help you clean up, because they know they're in for a treat. This is a full meal by itself. This was actually their lunch and they enjoyed every bit of it. Like, you guys, nobody can collect my money. I keep telling you, on top hospital or on top sickness, like, these children will never be sick. And it's not a joke. It's a serious business. Like, every day they keep getting everything that they need nutrition wise, and that is really giving me rest of mind. You guys, make salads that make sense for these children, and you will testify with your own mouth that, yo, it's because of the way I was making it, man. These children like salads. You just have to find a way to make it sweet, cut it small, dress it well, nice dressing, beautiful. In fact, you guys, try and make this thing and come and hug me in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you.